Everything we need is right in this locker room and right next to you.
Yes, sir.
And it's on you to make up your mind how you want this story written. It's a pen in every darn locker. How are you gonna write this story? Let's go out there and be dominant, fellas. I believe your offense gonna get the ball and they're gonna go down and score. Defense gonna go back, 3 and out. We're gonna get a good punt return and we're gonna contend to beat the brakes off these young men. But we're gonna do it with class and dignity. No more stupid penalties. We got that?
Yes, sir.
Touch the person next to you.
In the heart of every athlete beats a rhythm of determination, a melody of ambition that echoes through the annals of sports history. It is in this spirit that we dive deep into the essence of unity, class, and victory in team sports. Today, we unfold the stories that are not just about winning, but about transcending boundaries together. Have you ever stood at the edge of your dreams, feeling the weight of the world? Yet a voice inside whispers, believe. That belief, that unwavering faith, is the cornerstone of every team's journey towards victory. It's not just about the physical prowess displayed on the field. It's about the heart, the spirit, and the unity that binds a team. Consider the huddle before a crucial play, where every player, regardless of their background, comes together with a single goal in mind. It's a moment of pure unity, where every heartbeat syncs with another, every breath is shared. This unity is the invisible force that propels teams towards unimaginable heights. Have you felt that force within your team? But unity alone doesn't carve the path to victory. It requires class, a deep-seated respect for the game, for the opponents, and for oneself. Class is what distinguishes the great from the good. It's the grace under pressure, the humility in victory, and the dignity in defeat. It's about playing the game the right way, respecting its rules, and honoring its traditions. How does class manifest in your actions, both on and off the field? And then there's victory, the ultimate culmination of hard work, dedication, and teamwork. But victory in team sports is not just about the score line. It's about the journey, the challenges overcome, and the bonds formed. It's a testament to what humans can achieve when they come together, driven by a collective goal. What does victory mean to you? Is it just about the accolades, or is it about the growth and unity fostered along the way? Let's delve into stories of those who have turned challenges into triumphs. Imagine a team, written off by many, finding strength in their unity, class, and sheer will. They face adversity, not as individuals, but as a singular force, turning each setback into a stepping stone towards their goal. Their journey is a testament to the power of belief and the magic of teamwork. Can you recall a time when unity and class led you to overcome seemingly insurmountable odds? Picture the young athlete, filled with dreams, stepping onto the field for the first time, surrounded by seasoned players. It's in this moment that the essence of team sports is revealed. A shared struggle, a collective aspiration to excel. It's here that champions are made, not just by their talent, but by their ability to unite, to inspire, and to elevate those around you. How do you inspire and elevate those around you? But remember, the path to victory is paved with failures. It's in these moments of defeat that the true character of a team is revealed. Do they fracture under the pressure, or do they come together, stronger and more determined? It's in the aftermath of a loss that a team's unity is fortified, their class is exemplified, and their journey towards victory is rekindled. How do you respond to setbacks? Do they define you, or do they propel you towards greater heights? In the grand tapestry of team sports, every stitch tells a story of unity, class, and victory. These stories are not just about the athletes on the field, they're about us. They remind us that, in life, as in sports, we are stronger together, that respect and dignity elevate us, and that victories, no matter how small, are milestones on our journey. As we reflect on these narratives, we find that the essence of sports mirrors the essence of life. It teaches us about perseverance, about the strength found in unity, and the grace of walking through life with class. It reminds us that every victory, every achievement, is sweeter when shared. So, as we draw inspiration from these tales, let's ask ourselves, how can we embody the spirit of unity, class, and victory in our lives? How can we come together, respecting and uplifting each other, to achieve our collective dreams? As you ponder these questions, we invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your journey, your struggles, and your triumphs can inspire and uplift someone else in their quest for unity, class, and victory. And remember, if you found value in these stories, if you felt that surge of motivation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's continue to explore, to grow, and to inspire. Now, we turn to you, our community. Share with us a moment when unity, class, or victory profoundly impacted your life. How did it change you? And what did it teach you about the power of coming together?